Want to change your Jio Wi-Fi name or password? It takes less than a minute using the Jio app. No computer or IP address needed. Let's get started. Step 1. Download and log in My Jio app. First, download My Jio app from Google Play Store or App Store for iPhone users. After installation, open My Jio app and log in with your registered number. After login, tap My Device option from bottom menu. You will see your Jio Fiber modem settings. Under Wi-Fi settings, tap SSID name. Now tap Edit Name option to change Wi-Fi name and tap Edit Password to change Wi-Fi password. After update Wi-Fi name and password, press Submit button to save settings. You will be disconnected from Wi-Fi. Connect again with new Wi-Fi SSID and password. And that's it. Your Jio Wi-Fi name and password are now updated. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.